We're enjoying the White Rock Lake in Dallas, Texas with a grackle. This is the blackbird that really cackles more than grackles. What did you find now? Okay. It has a funny chirp. This is the White Rock Lake. The lapping waters, and there are also some ducks. This one ate a cookie with me, a small little piece though, right, Grackle? And these are the little ducks. I don't know. Hi, duckies. You can come back. I won't hurt you. Okay, you need to quit talking now. You have so many different kinds of sounds that you make, and you keep hissing. You keep hissing, you know that, right?